Student, your SP, if your SP is greater than CP, SP is greater than CP, it means profit. SP minus CP, SP minus CP. And when become loss, CP greater than SP. It means CP minus SP. Now student, question is nice. What is the formula of SP? SP, when CP given, profit percentage is given. CP is given, profit percentage is given. Please tell me. Profit percentage given, CP is given. What is the formula of SP?
Then we will add profit with CP.
100 plus profit percentage into CP 500. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Your next is your formula is SP. If a CP and loss percentage is given, CP and loss percentage is given, 100 minus loss percentage into CP by 100.
100.
Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Now your third is CP. If a profit percentage and SP is given, 100 into SP, 100 plus profit percentage. Your fourth one is CP, when SP and loss percentage is given, 100 into SP, 100 minus loss percentage. 100 into SP, 100 minus loss percentage. 100 minus loss percentage. Any doubt, any problems?
सर एक बार स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए.
No, sir.
Student, these formula will be used in these questions. These formula will be used in these questions. Please note down it. Please note down it.
Sir, noted.
Okay, students. Now, students, come on the questions. Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost ₹50 per meter and trouser material that cost ₹90 per meter. For every 2 meter for trouser material and he buys 3 meter of shirt material. Yes, he sells the material to 12%, 10% profit, and total this. How much total trouser material did he buy? Now, student, have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, we have to purchase every 2 meter of trouser material. Length of your two meter of clothes, 2 meter of trouser cloth. What is the length of your trouser material?
Sir, 2 meters.
2x meters. 2x meters. Length exercise 2.4.
2.4.
Which question?
2.4.
Which question?
Question number 7.
Let length of trouser material. That is your 2x and 3x. That is 2x meters. 2x meter. Waist and length of shirt material. That is your 3x meters.
Yes, sir.
3x meters. Now students, cost of 1 meter shirt material. Shirt material that cost rupees 50 and trouser material that cost rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meter of trouser and he buys 3 meter of shirt material. Students, 50 rupees cost of shirt material. 1 meter cost of 1 meter shirt material is 50 rupees. What will be the cost of 3x meters shirt material? Total cost.
50 multiplied
CP of shirt materials.
rupees 50 multiplied 3x.
Rupees 50 into
3x.
3x. And this would be 150x. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
And CP of trouser material. Rupees 1 meter trouser material purchased in 90 rupees.
90 rupees.
90 rupees. 90 rupees.
90
That is 2x.
90 into 3.
Rupees 180.
180.
180x.
Yes.
Okay, students. Now he sell the material. For every 2 meter of trouser material, he buys 3 meter of shirt material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. He sells the material 12% and 10% profit respectively. Students, profit on trouser material. Profit on trouser material is, please tell me,
10%.
12%,
10%.
10%.
10%.
And 12% is on profit on shirt material. 12% profit on shirt material. Yes, students. Now, profit on shirt material. That is your 12%. And CP of shirt material is rupees 150x. If your CP is given, profit percentage is given, how can you find out SP?
Sir, 100 plus profit multiply CP by 100.
SP of certain material. Friends,
100 plus profit
100 plus profit percentage
multiply
into
CP
CP
by
upon
100.
100.
divided by 100.
Yes,
100.
yes. Now 100, what is your profit? 12. What is your CP? CP is your
dx
150x. 150x
divided by 100.
divided by 100. It becomes 112 150x upon 100. Should I solve it? 0, 0, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12.
26.
Yes? 3 6s are 18, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 15 or 1, 16, 160x rupees.
150
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now student, CP of trouser material is 180x and CP on profit on trouser material is 10%.
10%.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Profit on trouser material that is 10%. 10%. CP is given, profit is given. You have to find out the SP. SP of trouser material. Trouser material. What is the formula? Same formula. 100 plus profit percentage
Multiply CP by 100.
into CP upon 100. What is profit? 10 plus 10. CP
100 188. And
CP is 180x.
180.
180x. That is your 100. Now students, 110 180x upon 100. Cancel out. That becomes 80.
दो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं क्या यार कहीं मीटिंग कर रहे हैं
190.
किस तरीके से पढ़ रहे हैं सर
68 students.
स्टूडेंट्स
190.
यहाँ पेन दिखा
Now student, it becomes 11 8s are 88. 8 11 1s are 8. 11 or 8 198. 198x rupees 198x. His total selling price, total SP is your 168 and 198 rupees 168
168 plus 198 is equals to 364.
and that is 198x. That is it. D
363.
366 है
364. 366.
क्या हुआ 366 है
356.
yes and total SP given is total SP given your rupees 36,600 36,660 36,600 Yes.
36,600 only.
Okay. Now student, it is your SP, that is 366x, and total SP given, that is 36,600. 366x and 36,600. What is x? Please tell me, what is x?
Sir, 366,000 by 366.
Your x is 100. Your x is 100.
X equal to 200.
Yes. Now student,
Okay, sir.
how much total trouser material did he buy? Length of your trouser material. Trouser material is your 2x. 2 into 100. 200 meters. Length of
100 meter.
trouser material. Trouser material. That is your 2x meter.
200 meter.
2 into 100. That is 200 meters. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
There was a and
Yes, student. Yes. Prasanna, Aditya, Arya, Garvika, Sumit Singh. Any doubt, any problems? Om Singh, Sabri, Poonam. Any doubt, any problems?
the now the 2.2 question number 14.
2.2, question number 14. Student, please read the questions.
A 2.2 question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes.
Okay. Wait. Lakshmi. Yes, students. Okay, friends. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 respectively. The ratio of number of these notes 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Let number of 100 rupees notes.
सर इसका सर आंसर बुक में दिया हुआ है एग्जांपल में।
Have you done? Did you do?
Yes, sir.
If you have any queries, please ask me. If you can do, please.
Question number 4. Nice question.
Students, first decide. Student one by one, please first decide and ask me. Yes.
The piece of question that you are solving.
Which question?
Sir, exercise 3.2, question number 4.
2.2, question number 4. Please read the questions. Students,
Sir, 3.2.
3.2, 2.2.
3.2.
Yeah. Which
How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior and
Yes. Interior 165 degree, and you have to find out the number of sides.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, students. Now, your students interior angle plus exterior angles. What will be? Please tell me.
180 degrees.
Interior angle
180.
plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now your interior angle is given. That is your 165, and what will be your exterior angles?
360 degrees.
What are you doing? What are you saying?
So we will take the exterior angle.
Exterior angle will be
हाँ सर
180. 1 minus 165.
that is
15.
15 degree. Now, number of sides of n-sided polygons.
उसका पूरी स्लाइड है
Number of sides of n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. 360 by n. 360 by 15. That is 24 sides. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. Sir, please solve that previous question. Exercise
No, sir.
Sir, please draw the exercise 2.4 question number 3. Sir, please draw the
2.4. Question number 3.
question number 3.
Okay, okay. Please note down it. Note down it.
Sir, done.
Yes, sir. 2.4, question number 3.
That's
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that is the sum of digits of two digit
Yeah.
number is
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Okay, students. Student, have you done? Have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Students, please listen to me. It is a number that is 36, and second number that is 425. How the number becomes? Students, your unit digit is 6, your 10 digit is 3, your unit digits 10 digit and 100 digits in this question. Now, we will multiply 10 digit by 3. You will multiply 3 by 10s and unit digit by 1. 30 plus 6, that is 36. Any doubt?
no, sir.
Students, we will multiply 10s digit by 10, unit digit by 1, and in this 100 digits, 100 place digit, we will multiply by 100 plus 10s digit, we will multiply by 10, 10 into 2, and unit digit we will multiply by 1 into 5. 400 plus 20 plus 5. It becomes 425. Any doubt, any problem in this concept?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now we proceed the questions.
Yes.
Yes. Now, student, your question is: the sum of digit of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Student, let your unit digit of the number be. Unit digit of the number be s, and sum of digits is 9. If unit digit is x, what will be the tens digit? Tens digit.
Sir, 9 minus 6.
Of the number b. 9 minus 6. Students, I have already told you we will multiply the 10 digit by 10 and unit digit by 1, then original number will be. Student, original number will be. Original number will be. What will be your original numbers? Please tell me. Yes, students.
So 10 into 39 minus x plus
We will
x.
multiply 10 digit by 10 and unit digit by 1. Your 10 digit is 9 minus x multiplied by 10, 9 minus x plus we will multiply unit digit by 1. That is 90 minus 10x plus x. 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9x. Any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
When we interchange the digits, student, next in the question is when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. On interchanging the digits, unit digit of the number b, unit digit of the number b. Please tell me. 9 minus x.
So 9x minus.
9 minus x. So that we have interchanged the digits. Interchanging means these digits are interchanging. This come here and this go there. Interchange the seed, interchange the digits. Your unit digit becomes 9 minus x. 10 digit becomes x. And 10 digit becomes of the number b. That is your x. Required new number b. Required new number b. Number b. 10 into x plus 9 minus x. 10x plus 9 minus x. It becomes 9x plus 9. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now student, according to questions. According to question. Your resulting new number. This is your resulting new number. Is greater by 27 the original number 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9x. Students, जो रिजल्टिंग न्यू नंबर है ये रिजल्टिंग न्यू नंबर ओरिजिनल नंबर से 27 ये अधिक है ग्रेटर देन ये, तो इसको इक्वल कैसे करें? प्लीज टेल मी हाउ कैन वी इक्वलाइज इट?
So we add 27 with 90 minus 9x.
यस वेरी गुड। 90 minus 9x 27 कम है, इससे 9x प्लस 9 से, तो इसको इक्वल करने के लिए 27 यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे. एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No, sir.
Okay students, now we'll solve it. 90 plus 27 minus 9, 9x plus 9x. Here 170 minus 9, that is 18x. It becomes 108, that is 18, that is x. X is equal to 6. Therefore the original number b. Original number b. Your original number b. 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9x. 9 into 6. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any problems? No.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,